Good evening, everyone on Facebook. This is Linda from Linda's Loft, and this is my second time on today for a second quick craft. Okay, so I was looking around going, what can I make really quick? Okay, so I got these little rain boots in. Look, they have a little buckle on them. Aren't they cute? And these sell for $10, and it's about 4 inches tall. It's a little rain boot. Perfect for April, right? I got these little pinwheels in, and they're so cute. They come in all these colors. And oh, well, you know how pinwheels work. They work outside anyway. And I have all these little flowers, and these feel real. There's a poppies, a couple of tulips, and then I also have, I just dropped one, some of this pussy willows, green pussy willows. So they're so pretty. So this is what we're going to do. I am going to, see this narrow black and white checked ribbon? It's narrow. So I'm going to cut a piece of it off. And I'm going to put it right around the top of the boot, like this. So I'm going to glue a little piece in the back here. I'm just going to put a little piece of glue on the ribbon and get it to come out. There we go. I just need a little tiny bit. Just to hold that on there. So kind of hold it in place. And then I'm going to tie this on here. Get this to go around. And I'm just going to tie a knot. Okay. See how I did that? Just tie a little knot on there. I put a little piece of ribbon here on the back side. Lift that up so it's even all the way around. There's a buckle here, so I wanted the ribbon to be above the buckle. You could do it below if you wanted to, but that's just how I'm doing it. So I'm going to tie a little bow here. I'm going to dovetail my ends. So remember how you fold the ribbon in half and then cut towards the outside, and it gives you this little tiny dovetail. You see that? I'm going to do the same thing on this side. So we have these two little tails hanging off there. And then I'm going to cut another piece of ribbon, and I'm going to tie a little bow. This is just a little tiny bow, like this. And this side's way big. So I'm going to cut it down. I go back and forth on this, so try to make it cute. Okay. So this is just a little tiny plaid gingham ribbon, and there's no wire or anything in it, but it makes the cutest little bows. And so I'm going to cut this off here and dovetail this little end. And I'm going to dovetail this end. And I'm just going to put a little piece of glue, a little bit of glue behind this bow. A little dab there. And I'm going to put it right on top of the knot, where I had the knot from the ribbon. There. See how cute that is? So it's a little bow, has 4 little tails on it. Isn't that cute? Okay, so now we're going to just start, I don't have anything in this. There's no styrofoam or anything in it. You don't need it because it's so tiny. Let me move this over here. You can see this better. Whoa! Okay. Another blooper. I was trying to lower it. Let's see. I don't know how to keep it there without flipping over. Hopefully that'll stay. Can you see this better, what I'm doing? Maybe I'll move this out of the way because this is kind of distracting. This is my painting placemat that I use. There, this is better. And here's all the flowers, and I'm not sure we'll use them all. So these have, I didn't cut them, so you could take these and use them in another arrangement if you wanted to. So I just kind of folded them over in different lengths. So this one is about midway. And then there's a tulip. This one has some greenery in it. You just stick that in there. Then I put one of these pussy willows. And let's put the orange tulip. This one I folded kind of low. See how that's low in there? We'll put that on this side. And then we'll put the red one. And they all just kind of fit in here really cute. And we'll put another piece of green pussy willow. Let's put the pink one in here. See how that is looking? Isn't that cute? And we'll stick the purple tulip in here. Maybe we'll put it right in the middle. There, that's cute. Now, I had the idea to stick one of these in. See how cute that would be? Make it like spring. Isn't that cute? So you could come by Linda's Loft and you could pick up one of these little rain boots and you could put, this would be so cute sitting on your little table. Or you know how you have an entry table, some people do, by their door, or a library table behind the couch. It would be so cute. It's so small, little, cute little thing. And the boot itself sells for $10. The flowers are $3 each. So this cost about $28 if you bought the boot and made everything. So that's what we'll charge, $28 for this boot if you want to come in and buy it how it is. This will be on display. Happy Easter. I hope everyone enjoys their spring. The weather's getting warmer, which is so nice. And I just love this. So cute. And it was such a quick craft. It didn't take hardly any time at all. So there you go. And it'd make a great gift for somebody. Have a great day. This is the last time I'm going to be on today. I'm going to get cleaned up and go home. So everyone have a great Wednesday, and we'll see you tomorrow. Can't wait.